Discover Science friends! Have you ever gone out at night and looked at the stars? Sometimes you cannot see many stars, but on a clear day, you can see many stars, just like Ruby. Her grandma says if you connect the stars, you can see different shapes like people or animals. So today, let's try to do that. Discover today's materials: lantern cutout, LED tea light, tape, cord, and clear tape. Let's make a constellation lantern so we can see what those stars look like. Okay, first we have the lantern here. Lay it flat like this on your table, and on one side you'll see looks like a half circle. We're going to use this first. Take your tea light. Do you want to see what it looks like? If you turn it on, see, you can see it changes colors, right? Turn it off. We'll turn it on later. And on the bottom, we're going to take your piece of tape and we're going to stick it right here so that the on-off button still shows. Okay, take one side off and just like this. Okay, like that. Now take the sticker off and we're going to take this side and we're going to, Brett said we're going to use this. We're going to put it right here so that the on-off button, you can see it. So I'm going to tape it just like this. Okay. Ta-da! Can you see the button? So we're going to use the button later. Okay, so make sure it's on tight. Okay, now we're going to make the lantern stand up. So let's fold all the corners. Okay, fold this corner. Okay, now take all the corners and make them go inside. Okay, fold the sides. Fold this side. And then fold this in, and then fold this corner too, up here. And I'm going to slide it inside the box, and then let's tape it using the tape. That way it doesn't fall apart. Okay, a bit of one here. And I'm going to do one more on the side, just in case. Okay, there we go. All right, now stand it up. And now I'm going to fold these sides too, okay? Fold in, this one fold in, fold the top, doop, doop, doop. And just like a box, I'm going to close it. Put it inside, okay, like this. And we're going to tape this, but first, I want to, before we close it, I think it's going to be easier if we do this now. Take your string, and on both ends, there's a black metal part. Stick it inside the star. Do you see? Like this, okay? Take the other side, stick it inside, and pull out a little bit like this. And that way, if you pull now, it doesn't fall out, right? Now, let's close it, and let's tape the box again. Tape this side. Okay, one more? Okay. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this, right? And look on all the sides. Notice how all the pictures look different, right? This is called Cancer, Taurus, Aquarius, Aries. The shapes are different. Now, I'm going to turn off the lights and I'm going to show you what they look like. First, you're going to turn this on, okay? I'll be back in a moment. Just a moment. Ta-da! Wow, look at our constellation box. So this side is Aquarius. I'm going to turn it around. Do you see a different shape? Yes, this shape is Aries. Now let's turn it around. Ta-da! This is Cancer. And let me show you the last side. Taurus. Now you can take it home and go into the bathroom and turn off the light and see for yourself. Have fun, everyone! Woo! Think why. Now we made a constellation lantern, and on each side we saw different shapes, right? Well, why do we see different shapes? A constellation is a group of stars that form a picture in the sky. But what happens to the Earth? We move around and around. We spin, right? And we move around the sun, and we see different constellations depending on which season it is. So in the winter, we see something like this. In the spring, we can see this. In the summer and in the fall. Think more. Have you ever seen a 청사초롱? Well, they hang it up in the sky, right? Like a bunch of lanterns in the roads, and they look very pretty. It's almost like our constellation lantern, but the color is different. It's usually red and blue. Also inside, they also have a lamp so that it lights up in the night sky. We have a lamp inside our lantern too.